Hey everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to clone a project from an existing source like GitHub. So just follow along with me. So you can see this one of the GitHub project. So we're gonna click clone or download. There are two ways. So I'm going to just show you by another way, which is by downloading this zip file. Other one, you can just click here, clone, you copy, you go to your Android project, but we're gonna do another way. So I've already finished downloading, so I'll just double click, and this is the project. So I'll just drag it on my desktop, and the rest, this one, I'll just put it to trash. So here we go. So this is the project. Then I'll just go to my Android Studio, create open an existing Android Studio project. So it's like just type my, here we go, Flutter, this is the one, or this is Flutter widget master. So this is Flutter widget master, and then just click open. It's gonna take some second. And after doing that, you have to find out, you have to see all this red dot. So what you're gonna do next is you just click get dependency. So you clone all the project, do everything. After you see all this red line will be gone. If the project was a really working project, you see all this red line is going. You see, you can now see this green light show that everything is okay. So that is how you offload the project from an existing source like GitHub to your Android Studio project. But note that if they use Visual Studio to build a project, it's not going to work with Android Studio. So when you clone it with Android Studio, it will show you something, download the SDK, blah blah blah, and so on. So but this project, they use the Android Studio to build. That is why the thing just works successfully. So now I can now run the app to just complete the whole project. So you guys will just see everything. It's a launching lamp stroke dark, lamp stroke main dot dark. So let me just give some second and see how everything's gonna look like. Just hold on for a second. Finish building, and it's just gonna depend on your internet speed. My computer is a little bit slow, but next time it's not gonna be slow the way it is doing right now. So it's gonna take some time. Still cloning, see building the project, running, port install, running Xcode, framework dictated, Android framework is dictated. Don't worry about this one. Later I'll see what to do. Running Xcode build. So yeah, it's almost done. Xcode build in. Yeah, this is the app. Here you have it. So this is how you offload a project from an existing source like GitHub. So here you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and love and share this video. And please, if it is your first time of watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more video on Flutter, because the world needs your ideas. So hit the subscribe button so that you get more info to bring all your idea alive. So until then, see you guys.